I don't think she ever said anything about PBBM that is against, it isn't true, or remotely as bad as what Duterte has said. I'm not a kakamping in the most caricatured way possible of a liberal, fucking classist, wala na akong maisip na salita. Yung mayayaman, yung mga elitista na the most caricatured way possible. But let's not compare apples to rotten oranges here. Bad shot na raw siya, and would be taking a long time for her to get back on the good graces of the good Lord, Liza Araneta Marcos, because again, we need her or something like that because she's the mastermind or something. I don't fucking know. So, makikita natin yung hidwaan ni First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos that are kind of buried sa mga labanan ng mga lalaki sa pamilya, that being President Bongbong Marcos and former President Rodrigo Duterte. Again, sinabi niya na bad shot raw si Sara kay Liza dahil sa not actually defending the president sa mga batikos ng kanyang ama.